Lovely to see you guys. And how does it get better? So, welcome to another episode of Morningstar. And what are we going to look into today? I think I can do it this way. Okay. Yeah, this better. Okay, we are live onto Facebook. So, welcome to this call, everyone. So, things to note, if you are on Zoom and you're going to switch on your video or you're going to talk, you're going to be recorded. You will be on our YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, we're going to read your comments. You can type comments on the Zoom chat or on Instagram. In case you don't want to be seen or heard, then please do keep your videos and audios off. Otherwise, you are giving us permission for us to post this on our channels and for everyone to hear what you're saying. So if you want to be anonymous or you don't want attention, then please do not speak or say things. But if you would like to be seen, if this is an opportunity for you to speak things that you've never spoken, then please take this as an opportunity to speak, to be there for yourself, to talk for yourself. So everything that brought up and led down, will you destroy and uncreated? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. So of late, have things of the past. What's been happening to me is a lot of my past memories, which I thought I'd let go, which I thought I was completely out of, which didn't impact me, have started resurfacing. And I was like, I thought I'd sorted this. Why is it coming back? Now, why is not a question. All of you who follow Access, please understand when you ask why, you are making a conclusion, you're not asking a question, and the universe will give you 1,000 reasons. Not even the universe, your mind will give you 1,000 reasons of why exactly it's your fault and why you are the cause and the problem for everything. So everything that brought up and led down, will you destroy and uncreated? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, minutes. So the minute you ask why, everything is coming back to, telling you that you are the problem. You're the one who caused everything bad, and you are so wrong. So what do you love about being wrong? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, minutes. What do you love about being so wrong that you always have decided that you're wrong, and you would like to function that you're always wrong? Everything that brought up and led down, and everywhere you have ingrained that in you, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. So we love making ourselves wrong. At least I do, and I think I've come out of it a lot. So if you guys do that too, you don't have to make yourself wrong. Be there for yourself. Ask yourself, what is the true value of judging yourself? Is there any value of you judging yourself and making yourself wrong? So everything that brought up and led down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, poets, and beyonds. Okay. So a lot of the things in the past which I had dealt with have started to resurface, and they're coming back. So these are things that you have to, and much deeper than before. Even before, it was not such a big issue. What's happening is your subconscious is kind of churning out things which you've not processed, which you thought you let go, which you thought is no longer relevant for you. But somewhere deep in your subconscious, it was never sorted. And when that is not sorted, it starts coming back. The first thing is not to worry if unwanted stuff comes back. If crap shows up in your life, you get to celebrate the crap. Why? Because now we can sort it out. And also, how much ever you thought that you've sorted it in the past, maybe it's not sorted. Maybe there's something still that we have to do related to this. So first thing is to celebrate. So are you guys going through this? Anyone here, are you resonating with what I'm saying? Did you suddenly have things of the past popping up, things which you thought you've sorted, things which you thought you've let go? Is that happening for anyone? Just let me know yes, no, so that I can
Yes, it is certainly happening.
certainly happening. Okay, thank you. So I know that I'm always right. Even though I love being wrong, usually I'm always right. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, minutes. Especially when I do calls or classes, I'm very aware. What if, you could have that awareness all the time, and not only when you're there for someone else or when you do a call or a class. So the trick is to be able to have that all the time. So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and men. Okay, for everyone who joined on Instagram, if you're sending us requests to be on the live video, I'm sorry, I'm not going to approve that. It just becomes harder if there are other people on the Instagram video. If you wanted to be live with us and want to be on our channel, get onto our Zoom call. That's the way to be, and it's very easy to find our Zoom link. And if you are on Facebook, anyone's watching this call live on Facebook, I would not be replying or responding to your comments until the call is over. But after it's over, I'll take a look. People on Zoom and Insta, you can definitely type, or people on Zoom can even unmute and talk. So how does it get better? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys. I did try, giving access to live video on Instagram for one person, and it didn't work out well, and I didn't know how to undo that live video. So I'm not going to, and some people by mistake asked us request, so I'm not going there. Anyway, so where are we going? So everything of the past that you thought you let go, that you've never let go, that is coming up and pulling you back to the past, that you think is your present, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. What unfinished business of the past have you decided that you truly have to hold on to, that you will never let it go, even though you've let it go? So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys. Did you guys feel you've not got proper closure of something in the past and you need to close it? Is that an interesting point of view? Or is that true? Right? So why have we made that closure so significant? And if things are closed, you can reopen them, can't you? So everything that brought up and let down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, men. So if you truly want to close something, why is that closure so important? Why don't you just let it go? Why don't you just be there for yourself and say, like, it's not relevant to me? Why should the other person be part of your closure? So everywhere you have already closed something, but you've decided it's not closed, and all the unfinished business that you're holding on to, and all the lies and the big five that you're using to make unfinished business so significant, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. And whenever something reopens, every time you're able to, whenever anything reopens, every time you're able to correlate it back to the past, and all the PRs and NORs that you're using to respond the same way you did in the past, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. So what have you made so vital, valuable, real about closure, that you want to hold on to it and never allow things to close? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys. Hi, Monica. So nice to see you. So, yeah, we don't have to live in the past. Every moment you're thinking about the past or living in the past, you are wasting this moment of the present. And isn't the present more important than anything else? So what's the value of not knowing that, and running away, not being present with the present, and somehow hiding in your past? What is the value of not being present? Everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. What have you decided you do not like about your present, that you would like to hide in the past? Everything that is, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. What if your past has reopened, that you keep holding on to instead of letting it go? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad. Sorry. Sorry, that wasn't elegant, but couldn't help it. So, what of the past? What of the present are you not liking, that you keep running away to your past? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. Okay, so all the trifold sequencing systems of the past that you thought you let go, but you're still holding on to, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, and all the trifold sequencing systems of the past that you thought you let go, but you're still holding on to, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. So what else would you guys like to know? What else would you guys like to clear? Are we all ready to clear the past and be in the present? Isn't the present more important than the past? That's when you have the enthusiasm for life. If you're always in your past, you've lost your present, and when you lose your present, you are going to create a crappy future. And we cannot change the past, but you can change your future. I think I've told this many times. And the trick is, what if you're looking forward to a beautiful future? What if you live like that? What if you say, I'm going to create the best future that I can, the future with the most joy, the future that is miraculous, starting right now. So, what miracles can I invite in the present? What miracle can I be? What energy can I be in my present to completely let go of the past that no longer serves me, and to create a future that I truly desire and deserve? And everywhere I've decided I don't deserve good things, will you now revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, boys, and girls. So,
Hi Nitya, Preeti here.
hi Preeti, how are you? So nice to hear you after so long.
It's lovely to listen to you on a Monday morning.
Thank you, darling.
Okay, Nitya, with this, what if you think, or I don't know, it's a point of view, what if you feel that going back to the past is like going back home? What if you find your home there? And
That's
you and
exactly
you
what I was
feel
trying
that
to clear.
yeah, and you feel
That's
that
what I
all
was trying to
this
clear.
while, sorry, if you and you feel that all this while you were just struggling, and when you go back to that you feel that you've just gone back home and you want to stay back there. It can be a point of view, but what, so could you clear that for me, please?
I did. I said, what are you doing to run away from the present? What do you don't like about the present that you're running into the past? Right?
Yeah,
Back
okay.
all nine shorts. Hi, Monica's doggy is so cute. Isn't that the cutest thing? And I think she's put a hairstyle for him or her. It's so cool. How does it give it? Right, wrong, good, bad, what, book. So where are you not finding? Sorry. Where are you not finding home in yourself? Where are you not finding home in yourself? That you've decided it's in your head because your past is in your head, right? It's not real anymore.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So where have you made the reality in your head more better than the reality that you have right now? Everything that is will you destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and girls. Who loves to run a
Thank you.
yeah, that's what we're doing. And is that going to create the greater? Is that going to create greater for you? You feel it's greater, you feel it's more energetic, it's more helpful because
Not,
you were more younger in the past, or I don't know,
yeah,
something. Yeah,
yeah.
you had a healthier body,
It doesn't
right?
feel greater, but probably it feels lighter.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You can engage with your thoughts. You can do what makes you feel lighter. But is that creating your future or destroying your future? And
Ah,
is that on the path of what you would truly like to create? Because all moments is an energy with which you can create greater. And why is the current reality, your physical reality, or your present reality, not greater than your past? So everything that brought up and let down will you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, boys, men. That's the judgment there. That maybe the past was better. Maybe if I go there and change it, it's better. Maybe if I live there, it's better. But based on what? Based on assumptions, based on presumptive realities. Why is your present not the most magical thing ever? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, boys, beyond. So, what would it be like for me to embrace this present and make it the best so that my future is amazing? And everywhere I'm still using some judgment of the past to create my life. Will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, boys, beyond. So, the idea is we've always talked about it, like if you are in non judgment, in allowance, you create the most. But when you keep on engaging with your past, what judgment is happening? What judgment is there in the background, right? And it's not wrong, but is that the greatest for you or not? Is the question. And that's what I'm attempting to clear. Very dense, very, very intense, but even though it feels light and it feels like I'm just talking fun, these are intense clearing, guys.
I always say you get into my head.
Thank you. Uh, I don't get into your head, I just read the energies. I hope I'm out of your head. So everything that brought up in like right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyond.
Thank you, Nitya. Thank you so much.
Welcome, darling. So Shalini is saying some guilt came up regarding me taking the step forward. How can you live without guilt? It is very, very important. You cannot let it go. You shouldn't let it go. So hold on to the guilt as much as possible. I'm just kidding. Please let it go. What are you going to do by feeling guilty? So everything that brought up and led on, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, mules. Why should you feel guilty about everything? Because you're wired that way. Don't talk to this person before feeling guilty. You're not a good mother if you don't feel guilty. You're not studying properly if you don't feel guilty about what you're not studying. You're not doing a project if you're not feeling guilty about when will it get done. So everything that brought up and led down for you, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. Okay, Shalini, do you want
Yes.
to ask something?
It's the guilt of moving on to a better life, pushing myself to a better life, and
So
all
let it
along
go.
I've made myself small so that others could have a better life.
So what can I be to make myself even so smaller that I completely disappear? Everything doesn't allow that. Will you destroy and create it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, men. Shalini, continue on that. Keep holding on to the guilt. Keep doing that so that you can finally get what you want. Or it's just a choice. You don't have to give yourself an excuse. Why are you afraid of a step forward? Go take that adventure, live it, see what happens.
Okay.
Goes well,
Thank,
awesome. If it doesn't go well, change. Who cares? Right, wrong, good,
okay.
bad, all nine shots, boys,
Thank
boys.
you.
Yeah, you have to be. Life is an adventure. Aren't you bored of doing the same thing again and again? Or
Yeah.
just once in a while, do something. I'm going to Singapore tomorrow. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pop, all nine shots, boys, boys, millions. And I booked the tickets in the last minute, and they were like, "Why didn't you plan it 1 week ahead, or 1 month ahead, or 1 year ahead?" I'm like, I don't do that because I don't know. I don't even have to say because. Why am I doing that? I don't know. I just booked it when I felt like, and it was last minute, so the tickets were higher. But so what? And I just want to go, and I don't have any plans exactly of what I'm going to do there, but I'm going. So what's why don't you have fun? Right, wrong, good, bad, bad, bock, all nine shots, boys, boys, men. Why should everything be pre-planned and you know all the steps in the future? You do not know every step in the future and how it's going to show up, right? Then you're living in your head. And what if it's okay? What if you uh, see what new step is showing up, embrace the adventure? What if you live like that, right? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyond. It's about living. It's about living. It's not about stopping yourself. And it's not wrong. If you want to stop yourself, that is just a choice. Guilt is going to not help you or your body, so you might let it go. What if you tend to be more in and about the future, Monica? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots. Then keep saying, how does it get better? If you are able to, think of a great future, just keep adding a question, how does it get better? If you're thinking of a worse future, you might want to change it, right? So because that's what you're creating. And what can I be to be so present in the present that I know what action that I should take, where and when to create my future? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys. Nothing is wrong about thinking about the future. That's what we would like to create. But if something in the present shows up that is your pathway to that future, are you aware? Or are you thinking so much about the future that you let it go? Have you created it in your head and finished it that you never allow it to become reality? These are the limitations that show up when you're always thinking about your future. So everything that brought up and let down, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, men. We're not in question, right? You're not in question when you hold on to all these things, whether it's the past, whether it's the future. Just ask yourself, what will this choice create for me whenever you're thinking anything? Beautiful question from the foundation. The foundation is an access class which I think everyone should do, everyone requires, and you can do it more than once. So I am doing a foundation class in Mumbai in July. I think July 12th is the date. We are planning a foundation retreat kind of thing. So if anyone is interested, please do let me know. If there's anyone in Mumbai who's looking for a foundation, please let them know. You can repeat it also. And when you're in these calls, you understand why you have to repeat the foundation, because you're like still asking why. Are you still using the tools or not? There's no limit to how much you can understand and use the tools. And this year again, foundation has changed. Every year they rewrite the manual. So in May we have got a new manual with some new clearings. So if that interests you, please let me know. July in Mumbai. So how does it get better? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. So what else do you guys want to know? Or are you all clear? Are you willing to live from the present and have fun in the present to create the future? Everywhere you've decided having fun is wrong, and every time I have fun, something majorly will go wrong. Will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, design, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, persimmons. Have you allowed yourself to have fun, and then some crap happens, and you're like, I shouldn't have had fun. This is all because I thought things will go great. Yeah, Monica's like, yeah, okay. But how do you tackle that? That's not because you had fun. That's because of some crap that you already thought somewhere in the, somewhere when in the past or in the present. And what if you can truly, truly receive the fun that you can be? Are you willing to give yourself that fun, that loving, that care, and step up? So, because I was looking, I was like, I would like more money, and then suddenly you get more money. It's not that you don't get it, but then you get more taxes, and then you have to hire more auditors, and then you have to interact with more people, and it's just a different reality. And I'm like, wait, 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 it was more comfortable when I didn't have to do all this. So guess what happens? Then you stop your money flow. So everything that brought up and let down, when you destroy and uncreate it, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, and beyonds. Because when you take a new step, whatever comes with it, you get the awareness. You either embrace it and say, I'm going this way, or okay, I didn't know that all this was going to happen with this. So maybe I would just choose what worked for me better. It's so, follow that, take the risks, see where it leads you, and then you can always choose whether it makes sense or not. That's the fun of life, right? Rather than I won't do it because I don't know, I won't do it because something might change. So everywhere you resist change as though it's something bad, will you destroy and uncreate? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, persimmons. Embrace the change to see where it takes. And your subconscious is so programmed that it always tells you, how much of a better your present is. It still tells you something in the past was better. And you didn't want that past. That's why you're here. That's why you chose these classes. That's why you've changed. But then you're still like, maybe that past was still better because your subconscious is programmed that way. Would you like your mind to control you? Or would you like to be aware of it and choose something different? It comes down to choice. Does it make sense, guys? And if you really want to know how to choose for yourself, there is an access class called Choice of Possibilities, which is really amazing. And you have to do foundation for that. But I think the Choice of Possibilities, the first COP class that I ever attended, Gary Douglas was doing it, is what freed me from this whole, I can choose for myself. I know how to choose, and everything I choose is neither right nor wrong. Is just choose what's fun for me, see what's happening. If it works, amazing. If it doesn't work, I learn something, or I change, or I don't change. If you have to do the mistake 10 times for you to learn, do that, it's fine. Sometimes, like I'm very intelligent, but I'm also extremely dumb. I can be multiple personalities. I'm sure all of you can too. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, persimmons. So sometimes they're like, oh my God, you are the most intelligent person. You're so aware. And sometimes I'll be the stupidest ever. So in some areas, like especially if you give me directions, I'm a different level of stupid. So everything that brought up and lay down, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, and beyonds. So, I'm like, okay, so I have to make the mistake 10 times for me to learn. So what? Do it 10 times. You have a long life. Learn it or don't learn it. It's up to you. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, and beyonds. So that's it. You just have fun. And people are like, why don't you get directions? I thought you were intelligent. So I was like, see, if you think I'm intelligent, you'll know how dumb I am. If you think I'm dumb, you'll know how intelligent I am. You can't judge me, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, because we are so many things. You're not one thing. Who can even tell you that this is who you are? You're not that. You're that for that moment, right? So I'm like, you try to judge me? Okay, fine. So how does it get better? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, birds, and and I completely own it. I'm not ashamed of I don't know directions, and I don't know directions. That's it. So I hire someone who knows directions or use Google Maps, and I can still survive. I can still thrive. I'm learning to make it easier and easier. Yes, because you this is not going to work for you. So hire someone, or these are possibilities. So you're prepared for it. Why would you? So I stopped beating myself up. I'm like, it's fine. I don't have to get all the directions in the world. That's not my goal. That's not my agenda. But can I do it enough to survive? Maybe after making few mistakes, I can still get here and there, but it's okay. So, does that make sense to you guys? You don't have to be hard on yourself. And it's okay to be stupid, it's
Yes.
okay to be intelligent, it's okay to be present, it's okay to be amazing, it's okay to have fun, and it is okay to be sad also, whatever works for you. Krishna is saying always confused about awareness. That's amazing, Krishna. Please stay confused. Thank you for using the word always so you can stay confused for all your next lifetimes altogether. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, men. Krishna, please attend foundation. I think we have to change your English. It is an English class also for all of you who really do not know how to talk to yourself. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, and beyonds. Always confused. Awareness will feel light. And everywhere you've decided that you don't know how to feel what is light and you cannot trust yourself, will you revoke, recant, renounce, denounce, reclaim, resign, destroy, and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, persimmon. And what do you love about being confused? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets, and beyonds. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets. Yes, Monica is saying being intelligent and dumb. She's saying I'm funny and sarcastic. Thank you. See, I can do extremes. How does it get better? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, poets. I can do middle also. Like I can be humble also, I can be arrogant also, and I can be in between also. So you can do everything, and that's who you are. So be whatever is fun for you. Today it was like really fun for me to be more sarcastic, and I'm like, okay, you want to feel guilty, because I've been telling you for so many episodes, don't feel guilty. If you still don't get it, then okay, do what you want. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, person. Does it make sense, guys? Okay, so I am planning a B4 sculpting class in June in Bangalore. So anyone who's willing to know more, get in touch with me, and I will give you the dates and more information. And it's a class that will completely change your body, size, shape, diseases, everything that you can dream of change in your body. You will get a start in that class. You have to practice, but you will get a head start, not a small start, a very head start. You go back with a different body. It's so fun. And I've created a new class called B4 Formats. I think I've been off morning stuff for a few weeks, but that is so amazing. It just changes everything in your head, especially those who are feeling guilty, who don't know how to change their thinking. You can come and get a B4 format session from me, or there are many practitioners, few practitioners who've done the class for the first time. You can touch base with them, get your head formatted. Formatting is like when you format a computer, it lets go of everything that's not required and functions optimally. We all require it. All of you require it, especially the way you guys think. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, males. So get in touch with me if you need anything, or you can just get in touch with me for fun. So anything works. So how does it give it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys, boys, males. Okay, so I think we guys are wrapping up today. Is that fun? Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye. There's any last question you can ask now? Okay, I think people are leaving anyway. Monica, you have something? No? Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye, Nitya.
Bye-bye.